A picture containing a beautiful flower, and we will edit this flower picture. In this tutorial we use Adobe Photoshop. In the Adobe Photoshop we use dispersion. We underline the area around the flowers that we want to disperse. We can also disperse the different flowers photo. We can increase the size of dispersed area by using the Adobe Photoshop. By using Adobe Photoshop, we can apply the shape on the dispersed area of the flower. We can also disperse the flower, adjust these shapes on the flower.